Hi guys. So when I was developing this lesson, something really stuck out to me about it because we're talking about technological innovations that we were not able to use a few years ago or that you could not even imagine possible. And I just thought it was really funny. So let me tell you my really quick story. There was this kid that I really didn't like in high school. He was not a nice kid. He was kind of mean football player and he just kind of like pushed a lot of people around. And really he kind of thought he was like God's gift to this earth, that type of person. And he was just not a very nice guy. Just prefacing that beforehand before you think that I'm a terrible person. But in economics class, senior year, Andrew Shriver was his name. He had this little device in his hand, a cell phone, right? And he was down by his side, moving his little fingers all around, And I was like, what the heck is that guy even doing? Like, he's so weird. Like, what's he doing on his phone? And come to find out, like, next year when I finally got a cell phone that had this capability, he was texting. It was a very newfangled thing. And I just find it hilarious because I think about how in high school, texting was not something that you normally did. And that later on in life, like now I've got a phone that I can connect to social media with. I am 100% connected all the time. I can look up anything that I want whenever I want. Why I mention Andrew Shriver's texting abilities was the fact that he was in his AP economics exam and he had his phone out because he was texting his little girlfriend who I guess couldn't be bothered to wait 4 hours for his exam to be over. 3.5, whatever. And he was texting and he had his exam invalidated. I don't know why. It still makes me laugh to this very day. So I hope he's doing better than he was in high school. Really, I do. I hope that you guys are having a great day and that my story might have brought you a little joy. Maybe not. But I love that story. It was my favorite to tell when I taught AP. So thanks so much, and I'll talk to you guys later.